Makizushi Japanese sushi rolls. Ingredients: 100 grams sushi rice, 1 sheet nori seaweed, 2 tablespoons sushi vinegar, soy sauce, wasabi, sushi ginger, roasted white sesame seeds, optional. Possible fillings: tuna, sashimi grade, raw; salmon, sashimi grade, raw; avocado, cucumber, crab sticks, canned tuna mixed with mayo, prawns. Directions: to make sushi rice, Japanese white rice is mixed with a special sushi rice vinegar. Once you have your sushi rice prepared, you will need to begin by laying out a preparation area with your makisu rolling mat. Place a sheet or nori on the mat and cover 2/3 of one side of your nori seaweed with your sushi rice approximately 1 centimeter high. Add your ingredients in a line on top of the rice in the center. You can choose any combination of ingredients that complement each other well. We went for salmon, salad and mayonnaise for this one. Now for the fun bit. Using the wooden rolling mat, start rolling up the ingredients away from you, while keeping the roll tight. The moisture from the rice will help it stick together. You can then cut your roll into 6-8 pieces and serve with some soy sauce, wasabi, sushi ginger and cup of sake green tea.